What's up everyone, it's Grim Reaper Sage here. So this is another pellet test video. This one's going to be a little bit longer. So we are testing the FX pellets, the pest controller domed, and the Norma golden trophy. As you can see on there, it's all 177 carbo using my Weihrauch HW100. I've put a mark on it because out of all the pellets I've used so far, these are probably giving me the best results. So we'll go through all the stats and everything in a minute. So what I'm going to do now is it's going to cut to all the other ones. So there'll be 3 videos. The first one is the FX, shot at 25. Second one will be the pest controller, also shot at 25. And the third one will be the Norma Golden, also shot at 25. Have also shot the back wall, but I didn't obviously film that. So yeah, it was indoor range, everything else down at Petes. So I'll speak to you all in a minute. Okay, so welcome back again. Apologies for this being a lot longer. So information wise, so FX Heavy Diabolo 500 in a tub, 4.52 mil, 10.3 grains, 0.67 grams. Pest controller 500, 4.5 mil, 7.56 grain. And the Norma 500, 4.5 mil, 0.54 grams, and 8.4 grains. So, as you can see here, this is the 25 with the FX, which, when the camera decides to zoom, look like this. And then we move to the pest controller, which look like that. And then we move to the Normas. So yeah, so that was 25. This is the back wall, so 35/40 FXs. I don't know what happened with the pest control on back wall. I mean, again, I'm still getting used to my HW100. I've had it about a week, 2 weeks. It really doesn't like the pest controller. It just, yeah, it doesn't like them. It kind of looks like a shotgun. And then these are the Norma Golden. Obviously, it does pull quite a bit further down, mainly because it's just kind of me shooting it and everything, and it still getting used to the gun and all the rest. Overall, so far, the Norma are probably the best ones I've used. Obviously, QYSs are doing pretty well as well, but the Normas are £10 from Range and Country. I'll have all the links for the pellets where I've got them from and stuff like that. But yeah, so far the Normas seem to be my better ones for my HW100. Again, shot indoors, 177 caliber, blah blah blah. Obviously, this is personal opinion. You can use whatever pellets you want. I just thought I'd make a video showing them. There'll be 2 more videos I've got to make, because there's 12 pellets I've got in total. But yeah, so as always, I hope you enjoyed the video and everything. If you've got any questions, put in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them all. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. It helps an absolute ton. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs. Let me know as well if you want to see different things, different pellets. I could probably buy them. I'm trying to think of different ideas. Like one, I've got playing cards that I'm going to do, and now I'm going to put them out, shoot them, do weird drawings, buy some rubber ducks, just as many random things I can think to shoot, because obviously I'm not really able to buy a gun, sell a gun, and all the rest, because it costs quite a bit of money. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the videos, and I'll see you all very soon.